In Unit 3 of PowerPoint, we're going to talk about reusing a presentation and adding media. While you are watching this video, or if you have not already, you need to open up the birds PowerPoint that you see on your screen now. You'll also need to download onto your desktop the files that I put with the practice exercise on the calendar on My Big Campus. So those will be ready to insert and to add to our presentation. A lot of times you're going to already have a presentation maybe that you've made in the past, or maybe you're going to take somebody else's and you're going to make adjustments to it. And one of the main things we're going to concentrate on here is adding picture effects, and this isn't just recoloring them. Okay, we're going to actually like delete backgrounds, things like that. And we're also going to add video and audio files to a PowerPoint. There were a select few of you that knew how to do this, but we're going to go ahead and learn that today. So once you have the birds PowerPoint open, we're going to click on slide 1 if it isn't already selected, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to insert from file the picture called Birds in the Sky. Okay, then we want to go ahead and size that, so you're going to click on Format Picture tab. Whoops. Over here we want to uncheck the box, and we want to make it approximately the size of the slide so it covers the slide. So that's going to be a 7.5 by a 10. And you'll notice that it looks kind of blurry. Oops, I put 47. It may not be perfect, but we're just going to fit it over the slide. You can use your arrow buttons to get it right where you need it. Then we're going to click on slide 3. We're going to go ahead and insert a picture from file as well, and this time it's going to be the bird reflect. We're going to size this one, so uncheck the box to the same thing, 7.5 by 10. Go ahead and drag that up to cover the slide. And I know there's words on these slides. We're going to deal with that in just a little bit on how to make those show up. Okay, and if you have to use your arrow keys, go ahead and use those. So slide 1 and slide 3 should have pictures covering them. Also on slide 3, we want to go ahead and recolor this picture. So you should still be under the Format Picture tab. Go to Recolor. And under the recolor area here, we want to pick the accent 1 or accent color 1 light, which is right down here. So we're going to pick that. Then on slide 1, we're going to recolor that picture as well. So click on slide 1, click on the picture, and I accidentally drug it off. Get that back on there. Go to recolor, and we want to pick washout, and that's actually this one right here, 4th one over on that first row. Then we want to go ahead and filter. So we're going to come over here to under adjust still, go to filters, and we're going to pick film grain, which is this one here in the middle. 3rd one down, 3rd one over. And you'll notice that it kind of makes it look a little different there. We're also going to make an adjustment on slide 3's picture. So click on slide 3, click on the picture. We're going to go to filters, and we're going to do the glow diffused. Where is it at? There it is. So 2nd one down, 4th one over. All right, then we're going to do the reorder button. So right over here under the arrange area, under the format picture, there's reorder. And you want to send to back. Now you can also right click and arrange and send it back that way. So it's really kind of whatever works for you best. And notice that the words show up there. Then we're going to go ahead and do that to slide 1. So slide 1, let's go ahead and right click and let's arrange, and we're going to send to back. Notice that the words come up again so you know that you're doing the right thing. We want to go ahead and resize this placeholder. So what we want to do is we want to take this title, click on it. We want to drag it down to where it kind of overlaps at first. Delete the placeholder of the subtitle. Then we want to go ahead and align the text. So we're going to double click here. We want to align this to the left. On slide 3, we want to align it to the right. And then we want to go ahead and delete slide 4. So we're going to right click on slide 4, pick delete slide. And then we're going to talk about the different views. We've mainly worked in normal view. If you wanted to look in slide sorter view, you could get a quick glance at everything. And if we change that to, let's say, 150, and you'd be able to see a lot better what these are going to look like. So it's kind of whatever works best for you. So let's go back to the normal view. Right now I want to go ahead and save this. So let's go File, Save As, and let's save this as PPU 3 Practice Exercise. PPU 3 Practice Exercise, then your initials.